In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch a couple episodes of Beast Games completely for free. Now, you guys could actually do this by just going onto YouTube. So go ahead and just open up YouTube like you normally would. And do not worry guys, in this video, everything is completely safe. We are not going to be doing anything sketchy. We're not going to be going to any weird website or stuff like that. We're only going to be using YouTube. Alright guys, so now what you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and you want to type in Mr. Beast 2, just like so. It's really important that you include the 2 because if you guys did not know, this is actually his second channel. So let's go ahead and select on Mr. Beast 2 right over here. Then you want to go ahead and select on videos. You will notice that this will have around 50 million subscribers, and we do get the Beast Games banner right over here. But guys, look at this. We actually do have access to the first 3 episodes of Beast Games completely for free. Not many people actually know about this, but he actually did release all of these episodes for free on YouTube, available for everyone to see. We got Beast Games episode 1 over here, episode 2, episode 3, which is honestly pretty insane. And these are complete episodes, no edits or cuts or anything like that. So you guys can go ahead and enjoy all of this content. But if you guys want the other episodes, then what I recommend you guys do is actually go ahead and look up Beast Games and then type in the episode you want to look. So let's just say for this video, we want to go ahead and look at the finale. So let's go ahead and look at the finale like so. And then you want to go ahead and type in reaction. And essentially, you're going to get a bunch of people who reacted to the episode. So you still are able to see Beast Games, but unfortunately, yeah, you kind of do have to see other people's reactions, stuff like that. But that is definitely one way you guys can actually go ahead and watch some Beast Games for free. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.